Hey, to input SD card into your Samsung Galaxy M34 5G, first you have to open the SIM tray. It's located in the left upper corner of your device. You have to use the SIM tool and put it right here in this hole, and then press on this SIM tray. Now it will open like this, so you will have this notification. Now grab your SIM tray with the fingernails, for example, and gently remove it. Now the SIM card slot actually appears on the second side, so when you rotate it, you can find this information about the micro SD card. And if you wonder how to put it, that's quite simple. We have to put it like this, in this position. So put it here. It looks like this. There we go. We have to put it underneath, like this. Basically the upside down. And now that's it. As you can see, that's quite simple. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.